Shoebox Appeal is happening next Sunday, where you can come to church to give us your shoe boxes filled with goods and toys for children across the world for Christmas. So if you haven't got your shoebox ready yet, head to our foyer where you can get a leaflet which will tell you what to put in, and you can get a shoebox, or just use one of your own, fill it up with some goods and bring it next week.
Through your cross, your blood redefined us. We are the sons and the daughters of God.
I know we don't want to admit it, but Christmas is coming and it is right round the corner. So that means our Christmas Fest is coming soon on the 18th and 19th of December. But we need volunteers. So if you'd like to help out, there is going to be something for everyone to get involved in at this Christmas Fest. So make sure you head to our website, sign up to help out and volunteer at the Christmas Fest this December.
Stars we shine in praise, evermore in God.
Can you believe that on the first week of tickets being on sale, they all sold out? But do not fear, we've got some more tickets that are going to be released on Sunday the 21st of November, so you can get ready for that day to book your 1 hour timed entry slot, or invite your friends and family to do so as well. There's going to be a carousel, Christmas cafe, petting zoo, Christmas tree festival, craft stores, photo booth, grotto, and a whole load of programme of activities taking place on the stage. So let everyone know that you know to get their tickets on the 21st of November.
Your grace runs deep from earth to the moon to the sun. Love is one.
For all partners of Excel Church, on the 24th of November, we're going to be having our next AGM meeting. So this will replace prayer and Bible study for that evening, but you can join us at 7:30 in the evening for all partners to come. And if you're not a partner yet, well, you can find out more information at our welcome desk and pick up a form so you can become one.
Evermore in galaxies through grace.
This week is Connect Group, so make sure you're connecting with yours. And if you're not part of a Connect Group, then come and talk to one of us or go to the welcome desk to get a bit more information on how you can sign up to be a part of one. There are amazing times where we can get together with people from church to explore the Bible together and have community. And that's all for Excel News. So if you'd like any more information, head to our website or social media, and have a great week.